there might be situations where you need continual access to someone else's medical record. Let's say your mom was just overwhelmed with a big diagnosis and could use help managing her care. You don't want to bother her for an access code every day, or ask her for her MyChart password. Instead, ask your mother to give you proxy access to her account. Your mom can manage access by selecting Share My Record from the main menu, or through the Invite Friends and Family section below her health feed. From here, she'll invite someone, enter some basic details, and send you the invite. When you receive the invitation email, click the link, provide your mom's date of birth, and accept the proxy invitation. But what exactly is proxy access? If you're a proxy, from your MyChart account, you have access to your mom's health record, and her notifications show up in your feed. When you select a notification, you can view the details and take action on your mom's behalf. If there's something you need to look at that's not in your feed, like a full medication list, you can switch between charts by selecting your mom's photo. In your mom's chart, you can schedule new appointments for her, send a new message to her care team, browse all her test results, order prescription refills, and more, like you would for yourself. If you have proxy access for your kids too, you can stay on top of everyone's wellness in the same place. Color coding and customizable photos help you easily identify whose record you're viewing. To request access for a child's record, contact your child's healthcare provider. Whether you're just down the street or on the other side of the world, use Share Everywhere or proxy access to manage care for yourself and the people you love. Let's say you typically receive care at Midvale Medical Center and have a MyChart account there. If you're sent to a specialist at another organization, you'll set up a separate MyChart account with them. Did you know you can see all of your health information together in one unified view? I'll show you how to do this on the MyChart website, but the steps are similar on the MyChart mobile app. You can search Link from the menu, or from your health feed, find the Link with Other Organizations notification and click Explore. Organizations you've visited recently appear, or if you want to find a different one, search for it here. After you select and answer a verification question, the accounts are linked. From your health feed and from the shortcuts, all of your MyChart information can appear together from any linked account. When you see this icon, you know that the information is coming from another organization. You can also take action on information from a linked organization, such as scheduling an appointment or messaging your care team, without having to log in to that organization's MyChart. MyChart makes it easy to access all of your medical information in one place, giving you a single unified picture of your healthcare. Have you ever picked up your medical record at one clinic just to bring it to another doctor? Or asked the family doctor to fax, yes, fax, a document to your new specialist? MyChart makes it easy to share your medical information with everyone who helps provide your care. Most of your healthcare providers probably already have secure access to your health information. But let's say your chiropractor doesn't have access to your chart. Use the Share Everywhere feature within MyChart. From your computer or phone, log into MyChart and find Share Everywhere by searching the menu, or at the bottom of your home page. Enter the name of the recipient, and then request a share code. You'll receive a one-time code to share with them. As long as the recipient knows your birth date and can access shareeverywhere.com, they can see your record. Worried about security? Your recipient's access lasts only for this one session. From anywhere in the world, use Share Everywhere to share your health record with those providing your care.
You may have noticed there's a computer in almost every room at the doctor's office and hospital. Computers aren't just a convenient place to store your medical information. Technology helps it follow you wherever you go. Meet Sam, a Tennessee native on his annual ski trip to Colorado. On his third day on the slopes, Sam goes one way and his skis go the other. He takes a spill and breaks his wrist. His buddies take him to the emergency room at North Peak Health, where they tell him he needs surgery. A few weeks ago, Sam's doctor started him on a new medication for glucose management. Sam wonders if that matters for his surgery. If Sam's records were on paper, he would have had to remember the details of his health history, and it might have taken hours, even days, for North Peak to receive a fax of Sam's chart. With Epic's Care Everywhere, North Peak can use a secure connection to find his chart from his doctor in Tennessee. Now, the Colorado care team sees Sam's pertinent health history as they plan for surgery. And even if his doctor at home doesn't use Epic, North Peak will likely be able to retrieve his record. After surgery, Sam heads home to Tennessee. He logs into his MyChart account and sets up a follow-up appointment with his doctor. From MyChart, he can link his Tennessee and Colorado records. Now, all of his appointments, test results, and notes appear together. During his appointment, his doctor sees that Care Everywhere has already sent Sam's surgery information back into his local chart. As part of his recovery, he decides to refer Sam to a physical therapist. It's a small practice that doesn't use an electronic record, but that's okay. Epic has you covered in situations like this. While talking with his therapist, Sam generates a Share Everywhere code in MyChart. This lets him give any clinician with internet access a one-time view of his medical record. The PT adds a note to Sam's chart for the entire care team to see. As Sam continues along the road to recovery, no matter who he sees or where they are, Sam and his care team stay informed at every step. Your story might look different from Sam's. Most of the time, organizations can find your health record with no problem. Other times, there might be roadblocks along the way. If your provider can't sync your record, maybe their electronic health system doesn't automatically share information with other organizations. Maybe you've recently moved or had a name change. In these cases, remember, you can always use Share Everywhere. As you navigate your own healthcare journey, know that your medical information can go wherever you do. For more information, check out these resources and talk to your healthcare provider.